Hello! In this video, we are going to learn how to count words in MS Word. Are you interested? Just keep watching. Hello, my name is Mark, and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. Occasionally, you may need to know how many words are in your Microsoft Word document to meet the formal requirements of your work or school assignment. There are 3 ways you can decipher the word count in Microsoft Word. The first thing you need to do is to open your Word document on your computer. When typing in a document, MS Word automatically counts them. However, sometimes you can't see how many words there are in your document. This usually happens when you haven't set this option to be displayed on the status bar. So here's how you are going to do so. Navigate to the status bar and right-click it. After selecting the option Word Count on the pop-up menu and clicking back in the Document's Work area, the exact number should be displayed. If you want to see some additional statistics, you can click on the number of words to redirect you to the Word Count dialog box. If you don't want to count all the words, but just a paragraph in your document, you'll select the specific area and see that the number in the status bar will change. If you want to count words in 2 or more different paragraphs separated from each other, you must hold the Control button and highlight the given areas. There is another way you can count words in your document. With this method, you'll navigate to the Review tab at the top of your document. In the Proofing group, select Word Count, and you can consult the data in the dialog box. Word Count also displays other statistics about your document, such as the number of pages, characters with or without spaces, paragraphs, and lines. You can even include text in the text boxes, footnotes, and endnotes by checking the box at the bottom of the Word Count dialog box. The last and easiest way to count words in MS Word is to press Ctrl, Shift, and G on your keyboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.